Whales are majestic creatures. They are the largest animals on Earth. Imagine a creature bigger than a bus. Some whales, like the blue whale, can grow to be over 100 feet long. That's longer than 3 school buses parked end to end. Whales are not fish, even though they live in water. They are mammals, just like humans. This means they breathe air with lungs and give birth to live young. Mothers nurse their calves with milk. These gentle giants roam the vast oceans. They fill us with awe and wonder. Their size and beauty captivate our imagination. Let's dive deeper into the world of whales and discover their secrets.
There are many different types of whales, each with its own unique features and behaviors. They are divided into 2 main groups, baleen whales and toothed whales, each adapted to their specific feeding habits. Baleen whales, like the majestic humpback whale, have baleen plates in their mouths instead of teeth, which they use to filter food. These baleen plates act like a sieve, filtering out tiny creatures called krill and other small organisms from the water. On the other hand, toothed whales such as dolphins and orcas have sharp teeth to catch and eat fish, squid and other prey. Sperm whales are a fascinating example of toothed whales, possessing the largest brains of any animal on Earth, which aids in their complex behaviors. They are renowned for their ability to dive to great depths in search of giant squid, showcasing their incredible adaptation to deep-sea life. Each whale species has unique characteristics that make them special and adapted to their environments. Some whales, like the grey whale, are known for their impressive long-distance migrations, traveling thousands of miles. They journey from cold feeding grounds to warmer waters to breed, ensuring the survival of their species. The diversity of whale species is truly incredible, with each playing a unique role in the marine ecosystem. Each species plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of the ocean ecosystem, contributing to its health and diversity. Whales live in all the world's oceans. They can be found in warm tropical waters and cold polar regions. Some whales prefer coastal areas, while others live in the open ocean. Humpback whales breed in warm waters near the equator. Then they migrate to colder waters to feed on krill. Grey whales travel thousands of miles from their feeding grounds in Alaska to their breeding lagoons in Mexico. Whales need clean and healthy oceans to survive. They depend on a delicate balance of food and habitat. Protecting their ocean home is crucial for the well-being of all whale species. Whales are social animals, often seen traveling in groups known as pods. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and songs. These sounds are essential for navigation, finding food, and social interactions. Humpback whales are famous for their complex and haunting songs. These songs are unique to each individual and can change over time. These songs can last for hours and can be heard for miles underwater. Whales undertake incredible migrations, traveling across vast oceanic distances. They travel long distances in search of food and breeding grounds, often covering thousands of miles. Grey whales have one of the longest migrations of any mammal, showcasing their endurance and navigational skills. They travel over 10,000 miles round trip each year, a journey that is both arduous and awe-inspiring. Feeding habits vary among whale species, with some specializing in filtering tiny organisms from the water. Baleen whales filter vast amounts of krill and other small organisms from the water, using their baleen plates as a sieve. Toothed whales, on the other hand, hunt fish, squid, and other marine animals using echolocation to locate their prey. Whales play a vital role in maintaining the health of the ocean ecosystem, interacting with various marine species and contributing to the balance of marine life. Section 5. Whales and us, guardians of the ocean. These magnificent creatures have roamed our oceans for millions of years, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Whales are important for the health of our planet. Their presence in the ocean is a sign of a thriving marine environment. They help to regulate the ocean ecosystem by maintaining the balance of marine life. Their feeding habits control populations of krill and other marine animals, ensuring that no single species dominates the ecosystem. This balance is essential for a healthy ocean, which in turn supports a diverse range of marine life. Whale poop is full of nutrients, acting as a natural fertilizer for the ocean. These nutrients fertilize the ocean and support the growth of phytoplankton, the foundation of the marine food web. Phytoplankton are tiny plants that produce much of the oxygen we breathe, playing a crucial role in the Earth's oxygen cycle. Whales also help to combat climate change by storing carbon in their massive bodies. They store large amounts of carbon in their bodies, which helps to reduce the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. When a whale dies and sinks to the ocean floor, it takes that carbon with it, effectively sequestering it for centuries. This helps to reduce the amount of carbon in the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of climate change. Protecting whales is crucial for the health of our oceans and our planet. By safeguarding these gentle giants, we ensure the continued balance and health of marine ecosystems for future generations. Section 6. Dangers in the depths, threats to whales. Sadly, whales face many threats. One major threat is pollution. Plastic waste, chemicals and noise pollution from ships can harm whales. They may ingest plastic, get entangled in fishing gear, or become disoriented by noise. Climate change is another serious threat. Rising ocean temperatures affect the availability of food for whales. Ocean acidification caused by the absorption of carbon dioxide can harm whales and their prey. In the past, whaling was a major threat to whale populations. While commercial whaling is now banned in most parts of the world, some countries still hunt whales. It's important to address these threats to protect these magnificent creatures. Section 7. Protecting giants, whale conservation. Many efforts are underway to protect whales. Conservation organizations are working to reduce pollution, mitigate climate change, and prevent ship strikes. Marine protected areas where fishing and other activities are restricted provide safe havens for whales. Researchers are studying whale populations to better understand their needs and develop effective conservation strategies. International agreements, such as the International Whaling Commission, aim to regulate whaling and conserve whale populations. By supporting these efforts, we can help safeguard the future of whales. Section 8. What you can do helping whales thrive. Everyone can play a role in protecting whales. We can reduce our plastic consumption, choose sustainable seafood, and support organizations working to conserve whales. Educating ourselves and others about whales and the threats they face is crucial. We can spread awareness about the importance of whale conservation. By making conscious choices and taking action, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference for whales.